Hey, welcome back to the Cy Goggle and Jack channel. This is the fourth in a series of videos on using a Travelers Company passport size notebook as a bullet journal, and I'm going to use it as a wallet as well. In this video, we'll cover just a few tips and tricks and some accessories that you might want to consider adding. One thing I've added to mine is this vinyl wallet insert, and I've shown this in a previous video, so I won't go into great detail about that, but that came as part of a package with a little binder clip, which I am using. I'm using that as a money clip, and I've tried clipping the money to the outside cover. It's just a little too thick, so I'm just dropping this in my pocket. It also came with this pin loop, and also a little too big for this little notebook, I think. It's just sticks out a little bit too much, and I don't know, it doesn't look good, doesn't hold a pen very well, and I don't think I'm going to use that. It would be great probably on the full-size Traveler's notebook. Also, this little craft folder came with it. And in my first video, I showed this in the notebook, and I felt like it was just adding too much bulk for what utility it was providing. And I've come up with another solution for this, for the little pocket, and I'll show that to you in just a second. So that altogether came to about $9 or $10. And for the little clip, which is the same size as, you know, a little binder clip, which you may have some of these already. Pretty much the same dimensions. And it's pretty well made for what it is. It doesn't look very sturdy, but it really is. So I don't know how long that will last, but I'll let you know if it doesn't last very long. Another thing I got was this little canvas. I guess this is canvas. It's very thin material, but it feels pretty sturdy. And it's pretty much the same thing as this vinyl wallet, only it's cloth. It doesn't have divided pockets for your credit cards, so you could just drop it in there. The problem I had with this is this zipper is not very high quality. It's not very smooth. I think it would be okay after it breaks in a little bit, but it adds too much bulk. And really, this vinyl envelope here, or folder, it doesn't add a lot of bulk at all, only this little zipper. And I think I just felt like that was a better fit for me. Pretty streamlined, pretty thin, and this just added a little bit too much bulk for me. And I wasn't really crazy about this zipper. I like the way it looks. I also didn't like that the cards, if you put them in this slot, they're facing the outside, so they could fall out. And in here, they're just kind of loose. You could throw a stitch in there and probably divide this into two and have two slots, but that's just too much trouble for me. Another thing that would be helpful to add, and you probably already have them, is Post-it notes. And these little ones I'm using as page tabs. And I'm just sticking them on there and putting a little bit of tape to make them a little more sturdy. And here's this little pocket. I've done this in other notebooks, and I like how you can just throw a receipt or two in there. And all I did was cut the page halfway down, fold it over, and then tape it along the edges. And this is the page that is really kind of wasted. It's kind of an inside cover page on these notebooks. And it's really easy just to tape the corner, fold it down, and you've got a little pocket. And of course, another thing to add is a ruler. And I showed this in another video. And you could either buy one, or you could just make a ruler out of some cardstock. Okay, that's it. Just a little short video to show you some of the accessories that you can get for your little Travelers Company passport size notebook. Really liking this so far, and I'll do updates as I move from my field notes into this in December, and probably do maybe 1 or 2 flip throughs as I go along during the month, and then I'll do regular updates. Okay, well, thank you very much. Bye.